Hi, my name is Sandeep Agarwal. I am founder and CEO of Droom. So, Droom is India's largest online marketplace for automobile. From bicycle to plane, new to used, loan to insurance, roadside assistance to extended warranty, Droom is a marketplace for everything automobile. We started the company 6 years back, and it's a tech play. We have taken a platform approach with the ecosystem services. And what does that mean is we have created a marketplace where there's a buyer and seller, and we basically do everything so that trade velocity can increase, standardization can come, information asymmetry can be removed, and moral hazard can be mitigated. And then we have built an ecosystem around it so that we can help a very tough category called automobile, making a leapfrog online. So Droom is a marketplace, and what does that mean is we have a buyer on one side, seller on one side. We don't do a few things as a matter of principle. We are not a merchant of record for anything sold on Droom. We don't take inventory risk. We don't do capital expenditure. We don't have a working capital exposure. We don't have large warehouses. We don't have receivables. We don't have large manpower for blue collar or gray collar jobs. And we are essentially a technology and data science play. We thrive on creating selection, low price, convenience, standardization, and many other network effects of marketplace. That's how we operate. And it has been turned out to be very, very scalable. Today, within our marketplace, we are available in 65 categories. We have large base of sellers, 15 billion worth of inventory on our platform, 300,000 mom and pop small automobile dealers, and we have sold 650,000 automobiles worth 3 billion since we started. So beside marketplace, we also have taken an ecosystem approach. Making a leapfrog of automobile industry into online economy is not an easy task. So what we have done is we have replicated pretty much everything you need in a physical environment to make sure a used vehicle transaction between two unknown people can happen. So after creating a very, very advanced technological platform and use of data science, we started Orange Book Value, which is India's largest and de facto pricing engine for used vehicle. It's like Kelley Blue Book in United States, or Black Book in UK, or Red Book in Australia. But we are the largest. We are available in 38 countries, 7 currencies, 11 languages, and the largest catalog with roughly 7 to 8 categories giving you used vehicle pricing. Second, we built Droom History. This gives you historical record for any used vehicle. This is India's largest national repository for used vehicle historical record. This could be water damage, theft history, disputed title, accident history, number of owners. Third product we created is Eco, which can give you certification inspection of any used vehicle. We use IoT, artificial intelligence, and mobile technologies to do a doorstep inspection for any used vehicle and come up to 1100 inspection points. This is the largest used vehicle inspection service in India. Then we launched Droom Credit, which is our fintech play for loan and insurance. And finally, we have a product called Droom Discovery, because whenever you're buying automobile, you are involved, very, very active, doing a lot of pre-buying research and diligence before making a decision. So Droom Discovery gives you a lot of pre-buying research and tools. So what we have been up to lately, and how do we see 2021? Single biggest thing I would like to highlight is when we started Droom, our biggest challenge was to convert a 100-year-old classified category which barely adopted internet to convert from classified to commerce, and that too online. So we were one of the first one to put our neck on a chopping board for converting a classified to commerce, offline to online. The journey has been fairly challenging, but also fairly rewarding, and long way to go. But we converted a classified category using classic e-commerce principle of search, find, buy to move online. But recently we have been investing very heavily to further innovate this category, and we will be moving our e-commerce algorithms from search, find, buy to requirement, match and buy. We think this is more harmonious to our category, and we think we can improve our conversion rate by 4 to 6 times by making this change. We are launching another big initiative which is monetizing our platform with qualified high quality leads as well as advertisements. So we get some of the best quality traffic in India. We have been among the top 200, top 250 most visited websites or app in India. And the traffic we get is very high quality. So going forward, we will be monetizing our platform with leads and advertising. 2 years back, we did not create any leads. We had just traffic or transactions. Now 6% of our total traffic is converting into leads. Out of the traffic which is converting into leads, we are able to convert 3% into transactions. So we feel a year from now, 8% of total traffic can convert into leads, and 8% of the leads can be orders or transactions. And we are super excited because automobile is among the top 3 largest verticals in India in terms of ad spend. And beside automobile, lot of ad age top 1000 type of advertisers in India are looking for high quality traffic or leads, and it's a real opportunity, and we think it can contribute 20 to 30 basis point as a percentage of GMV on a concept of yield management, enough to bring our company very close to profitability. Lot more activities are happening on our platform. All will happen. That means we will own the customer in a purchase funnel for longer duration. That also means we will have an unfair advantage of attaching loan and insurance along with the used vehicle transaction. And we are super excited about it. We think that if the loan is easily available with the favorable terms, there could be 60% attached for the used vehicle, and there could be around the same percentage attached for insurance for every used vehicle sold on Doom platform. Both of these categories are very rewarding, high margin, very scalable. And we think in 2021, this could be very tangible in Doom's path to profitability and Doom's path to growing its net revenue significantly higher than the GMV growth. We have equally compelling opportunity to improve attach rate for all other automobile ancillary services. As you know, whether it is Toyota or Mitsubishi or BMW or General Motors, all have made larger shareholder wealth with financial company, with technology company, and all other ancillary services businesses. Same way, Droom with its marketplace and ecosystem approach touches customer in all aspects of lifecycle management. Since COVID happened, it has not been easy for anyone. The whole world has suffered from economic hardship to health uncertainty, consumer confidence, and a lot of other global issues. If someone is saying life is great, business is great, and everything is great, pardon me, but perhaps they are lying. It has not been easy for Droom either. But our job is to convert every challenge into an opportunity. So some of the things which I have talked about in terms of us moving from search, find, buy to requirement, match and buy, how it can increase our conversion by 4 to 6x, using ad and leads for monetization, becoming bigger and bigger fintech play, and improving attach for ancillary services. I would also like to talk about how some of the things have either come as completely new thing, part of our thesis for Droom, or have accelerated in a positive way in Droom's favor. So because of COVID, public transportation is not same as owning vehicle, and people are preferring owning vehicle. Same way, ride sharing is not same as owning the vehicle, and people are preferring owning a vehicle. Similarly, physical retail of automobile is not same as online, and people are preferring online. In fact, we have seen a massive lift in organic and direct traffic during COVID, and it continues to rise. Finally, because of weak consumer confidence and consumer sentiments, weak economy and future uncertainty, more and more people are preferring used vehicle now. So automobile is only 5% Indian households have a car, 25% have two-wheelers, so long way to go. Probably next 5 decades, Indian automobile adoption story will continue to happen. When we started Droom, only 0.1% of automobile was online, but it has gone to roughly 0.6-0.7%. We think it can easily be 6 to 7% of total automobile market by 2025. So we are very happy where we have reached, and we are actually more excited how we utilized our time during COVID and how the 2021 is looking. If you combine everything which I just said, let me just translate those things into some numbers. We think in 2021, we will be able to exit by December 2021 between 2 to 3 billion in GMV. Sorry for the much wider range. Because of market factors, I have to use much wider range, but we can easily exit 2 to 3 billion in annual run rate of GMV, $70 million to $110 million in net revenue run rate, and we will be able to sell more than 300,000 vehicles. We will be able to have our conversion rate improving by 4 to 6x. We will be able to monetize our platform with leads and advertising. Loan and insurance will become bigger part of our story, and attachment of ancillary services will be so much more pronounced. We think we will have 70% of our traffic either organic, direct or free referral, and we can dominate the automobile category in India for online for decades to come. Just as a reminder, since we have started, we have catered to 1.1 billion visitors through our apps and site. We have catered to 300,000 small and medium-sized auto dealers. We have received roughly 3 million in total listings. The current value of active listings on our platform is 15 billion, and none of them is owned by us. And we have sold 650,000 automobiles worth 3 billion since we started.